Alright, we're gonna take my Wago out tonight. Got a sketchy dump, just kinda ghetto rigged on there. Better than blowing all that black exhaust on the back of my headlight right there. But yeah, we're gonna go up to the place where everyone's cruising, maybe get a couple races. I'd just like to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty awesome. Not sure if we're gonna get anything that's worth filming tonight, but if we do, we will, and I'll put it in this video. But yeah, mainly want to say thanks for 1,000 subscribers, and we're gonna keep trying to pump the videos out and keep the builds going. Alright, we got a B16 swap Civic, and we're about to go out of town a little bit just to do a little race, see how the Wago does against him.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Just don't get caught.
It's so loud.
Wasn't important.
Something fell off the car. Wonder what it was.
I just smoked the third.
A 7.3 Ford.
Alright, it's raining out. Let's see if we can brake boost in second and break the tires loose. Oh,
A little bit.
no, we lost boost. There's no turbo.
One's missing on this backside.
So my wastegate fell off.
He's only got one bolt. Snapchat.
Allen wrenches to the rescue. I'm pretty sure we lost a bolt. That's what that noise was.
Oh yeah, true. I wonder where the booster went.
Well, that's why we lost, obviously.
It was raining, so we didn't have traction.
Alright, we're at a gas station.
I'm going somewhere to my bass and my tempo.
Guy's singing.
This is the bass and the Pokemon show, don't you know? D.O.D. is where me born and me grow. Ha! Tic-tac-toe. Ha! I used to play tic-tac-toe.
Alright, so after like 30 minutes,
Dude,
maybe an hour of him singing, this guy,
Follow his Instagram.
Gary George Winters Jr. We know for sure he was drunk. He might have been on something else. He was talking about some mushroom glue in one of his songs.
Hey, at least we got my wastegate fixed, that's all that matters.
See if we can make some boost now.
Alright, now let's try to get a good brake boost.
Rolling, burnouts, and sinking.
Sketchy as fuck.
Yeah. It was went into them.
Yeah. And he took off on me.
One, two, three. Dead even. Dead even. Didn't even move until he started pulling into higher gears.
Yeah.